How to fix Instagram app not opening issue. Let's get started. Whenever you try to open up your Instagram application and within a second the app will get closed, and then that will take you back to your home screen in your device. Or sometimes you may receive an error message saying that something went wrong whenever you try to open up the Instagram application. Now in that case, what you can do is, first of all, restart your device. For that, press your power button of your device and from here tap on restart. Once your device is restart, refresh your application and check whether you will be able to open up their Instagram application or not. In some case, that will fix your issue, but still not. Now make sure that your Instagram app is updated. For that, open up your Play Store and in the search bar, search for Instagram. Now, if your application is missing out any updates that might be causing the issues, you will have an update option where I have open. Simply tap on update, and once the update is complete, open up your Instagram application and that will help you out to fix your problem. So these are the way that will help you to fix Instagram app not opening issues. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.